Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to a mailbag unboxing. It is August, whatever this day is here. Let's see, August 8th when I'm uploading this. First thing is from Amazon, obviously, so let's do this. It's Elvis, Second to None CD. It's upside down, what the hell? The next thing is from Shop Impact. So let's get into this one here. There we go. Oh my god, I get it. There's no SIM card in it, and it's a lie, but whatever. And this is Impact Bound for Glory 2021 VHS. We'll unbox that in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. Get every time I upload. Love you guys. See you guys in the next video.